Do you know the difference between coping and self-care? Do you feel selfish putting your own needs first? Hi, I'm Shelby Stricklin with Shelby Stricklin Team, RE/MAX Alliance. Let's face it, the last couple of years have been tough. The majority of us lean on our coping skills just to get through. We deep breathe, watch TV, vent to a friend, or on Facebook. I like to clean when I'm upset, but that's the only time, so if you see me cleaning, you better watch out. Something is probably wrong. Practicing self-care is something more, though. The way I see it, coping is reacting to something that has happened so you can deal with it. Self-care is proactive, takes purposeful effort, and benefits your overall mental health. At the end of this video, I'll share my secrets for coping and self-care strategies. When I think about self-care, I imagine a cup that is so full of water that the water is rounded up almost over the top. When something stressful or hard comes up in life, I imagine a drop of water being added to that very full cup. What happens when a drop of water is added to that very full cup? Yep, it spills out. When I practice self-care, I imagine that every time I do it, it lowers the amount of water in that cup. So when something new drips into it, it doesn't spill out all over the place. There's room for it. Even good things can cause us to spill out if we don't have enough room in our cup. Most experts agree that there are 3 types of self-care. They include physical, mental, and emotional. Physical self-care could look like taking a walk, getting a hug, or taking a bath. Did you know decluttering your home can be a form of self-care? Getting rid of excess stuff makes you feel calmer, happier, and more in control. Mental self-care can look like reading a book, learning a new skill or hobby, or simply turning off your phone for a while. One study found that most of us get about 63 notifications a day. Emotional self-care could be meditating, spending time with a friend, or even journaling. For my self-care, I like to do things that include physical, mental, and emotional at the same time. This looks like rehearsing for a musical, singing in a band, or camping in the woods. Doing something fun while spending time with friends and family is what works best for me. For coping skills, whenever I'm feeling sad or sorry for myself, I find something nice to do for someone else. Yeah, I could overthink the fact that it's not really selfless if it brings me joy, but that's okay. It makes me feel better and it brings joy to someone else. And that's a win-win I can live with. I also like to color. Yep, these are my personal crayons. Check out these cool new ones they have though. We can finally make people look like people. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this information valuable. If you have any questions or would like any additional information, please just let us know. We are always happy to help.